everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums. I am going to be showing you several different Valentine's Day mini albums over the next couple of days. These are mini albums I have made. There are going to be some tutorials listed on my site. If there is a tutorial, I'll put it in the description box. All of these mini albums are listed in my Etsy shop at this point, although they may sell because they may be on sale when you're watching this video. So if you're interested in purchasing these, check out the links in the description box, which will take you right to my Etsy shop or right to the tutorial of the specific albums. They are all different shapes and sizes. I have from a very loaded large mini album to one that's not necessarily Valentine's Day, but could be trip, vacation, whatever, shabby chicish. And then I have some gnome mini albums. I have some accordion albums. I have Cupid albums. I have vintage. So over the next couple of videos, you're going to see quite an assortment of different albums. So I hope you'll join along with me. And for now, let's check out today's mini album. So today's mini album is Cupid's Heart. The mini album measures 6 3/4 by 8.5 by 2. So the front cover has lots of handmade flowers with some ribbon mixed in, some twine, some lace flowers, and a frame. It's a hand-painted frame. I don't know what the material is, but there's a little photo in here, which this can actually come out, and you can put a photo inside there. So the front cover has this cute little cut apart, and that'll open that way, and this will open this way. So you've got room here for 4x6 photos right on the photo mats. This gorgeous vintage Valentine will open up and give you room for a 4x4 and a 4x3 photo. And that'll open up that way. So 2 4x6 photos on this page. There are cut aparts here, but they are open, so you can still stick your photo in there. This page also has a hidden photo mat on the side. Another vintage Valentine that will open like this. So that'll give you room for 2 4x6 photos. Oh, that'll open like that. And then this opens this way. So some of these smaller Valentines circle the bottom part of this, allowing you to put a 4x6 photo. And again, it is open down at the bottom. And a gorgeous vintage Valentine there. Love's greeting to my Valentine. And that'll open like that. And this will open this way. Room for your 4x6 photos. And of course, you can use that to put a photo on. And that as well. And that is open on the bottom. And there is our side loading pocket. Another Valentine with this gorgeous paper. Love the print of that. And then here we get into some of the fun Valentine's Day clowns. They are just adorable. The photo mats here are blue instead of the red, and still this is open, so you can add your photograph underneath those. This will go like that, and that'll hold together with a magnet. So we've got a little pocket here. This will open like that to put small photos in this folder. And then this comes open like this and over to the side. And there are some photo mats there with the heart detail. And there is the photo mat on the side. And our last page brings us to this little girl, a couple of mats here just to coordinate everything together. This will open like that. And then there is a 3 photo spread right there with some cut aparts in the top. That is, of course, a magnetic closure. So is this. That'll open to the side. That'll open to the other side. revealing a pocket with some additional photo mats. Now you could put photos on here and put these in the pocket, or there might be other places in the book that there is room. For instance, here, if you wanted to, you could put the photo on that photo mat and put it right there, but you don't have to. There is the back cover or spine, and we're back to the front cover. So Cupid's Heart, it is a gorgeous vintage Valentine's Day book. I hope you enjoyed this. If you're interested in this one, the link will be in the description box, and that'll take you right to my Etsy shop where you can purchase it. Thank you so much for watching, and have a fabulous day.